If you're browsing around Instagram and you find a video or a reel that you love, a brand new feature is that you can now download it directly to your phone, iPhone or Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact process for both other people's videos as well as your videos. So let's hop into the Instagram app here and tap on the Reels button at the bottom left. Now, as you're swiping through Reels, you can see at the bottom right is the airplane icon. Tap on that airplane icon. At the bottom, swipe over and tap on download. You'll be able to see downloaded Reels cannot be used for commercial use. However, if I hop out of here and open up the Photos app, once it does download it, it'll pop it up right there. It does take a few seconds to be able to show up, but again, this is only for personal use. Of course, this is not my video, so I can't publish it for commercial use anywhere else. I can just keep it on my phone for personal use. However, if I go to a different reel, for instance, this one, and tap on the share button, if I swipe over, you'll be able to see here it doesn't give me the option to download. Essentially, the reason for this is because that creator has decided to not allow that as an option on their account. So some videos and reels from other creators will allow you to download them and some will not. Regardless, again, if they allow you to download it, this does not mean you can use it for commercial reasons. This is just for personal use on your iPhone or Android. Now, next, let's tap on the profile at the bottom right. And if you wanted to download one of your videos, you can of course do that by tapping on the video, tapping on the paper airplane at the bottom right, and then swiping over and tapping on download. Just like that, you can see downloading. And of course, because this is my video, I could use it anywhere that I wanted to because of course I own the copyright to that because I have created it and uploaded it. So there you can see is the other creator's video now on my iPhone, as well as the video that I posted on Instagram. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.